0.2 seconds. That's all the time a lightning bolt needs to travel from cloud to ground. But what if we could slow down time and journey inside the bolt itself? Deep within a storm cloud, 3,000 meters above Earth, ice crystals collide. Electrons separate. Negative charge builds until the atmosphere can no longer resist. An invisible stepped leader descends, carving a pathway through air molecules, ionizing everything in its path. Then, in an instant almost too fast to comprehend, the return stroke fires upward at 1/3 the speed of light. We are inside a channel hotter than the surface of the sun, 30,000 Kelvin. 1 billion joules of energy concentrated into a corridor thinner than your finger. This journey, this impossible perspective inside nature's most powerful electrical discharge, was captured using free AI Media's AI workflow, combining scientific data visualization with cinematic storytelling tools. 0.2 seconds. An entire world exists within it, a world we've never seen until now.